Hi, I'm Paul from RobotZoo at the Sydney Home Show. What I'd like to do is show you our robots. We've got window cleaning robots and floor cleaning robots. We have two of each. We call this one the gecko because it walks like a gecko. And the one behind, we call it the glider. And I think you can see why. Both of these window cleaners are pretty awesome in their own way. The first model, the Gecko, has been around for about 8 years. The second model, the Glider, has been around for about 4 years. So one's got more technology, but the other one's pretty simple to use, and they both do the job. The Glider is better for frameless glass, although the Gecko itself it'll detect the edge of frameless glass as well. You can see it's walking up the top of the window, and it's going to walk its way down like a gecko. The way the glider works, it has two patterns. It'll have an N pattern or a Z pattern. What I'll show you now is our floor sweepers. We have again two models. One's an entry-level model. This one is the high-level model. It has the base station that it'll go back to when it's finished charging finished running after about 120 to 150 minutes. That's plenty of time to do a whole room. It has the virtual wall to stop it going outside, or it'll detect steps, and you can program it to schedule times to run day or evening. So there's quite a lot of good technology built into these. It also has a water tank with a mop that will sweep up after, clean up after. So really good for pet hairs and dust. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. If you want to see these products in real life, come down to the Sydney Home Show, please.